Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. How are y'all doing today? Well, today I am going to open a new TheraBox. Now, it seems like I just did one of these, but it's already here. I'm not complaining. So let's get started. I can smell there's already something nice in there. Oops, sorry. The box is hitting the... It says, hello, summer. And of course, inside, they talk about the freebies, which means, you know, if I get people to join up through me and stuff, I get a free thing, whatever. And then it's got all the products listed, which I'll refer to. Yeah, frequently asked questions and blah, blah, blah. So let's put the scissors away out of my way. Too much stuff here. Let me open it up and get started. So it's got a thing. Power yoga at home. I'm not interested in that. Oh, we just pulled up against Jerry across the street. Bob's out getting the mail, so we'll see when he comes in if there's anything for me to do after this. Of course, they've got all these little curly cute things that I've got to be so careful with because I don't want my baby girl to swallow them. Okay, first off is outdoor roll-on. Oh, I thought maybe it was deodorant. A perfect size for a trip. But I think it's some kind of cologne. Let's see. Oh, it's a Jewel brand. Oh, it's roll-on oil. It says. Do I have it upside down? No. The Jewel Outdoor Roll-On Oil is the must-have sidekick for all your summer escapades this year. This plant-based and DEET-free insect repellent roll-on blends lavender, lemon, eucalyptus, tea tree, thyme, and rosemary. What about parsley? To soothe skin and repel pesky pests. It's 100% natural. Okay, well, hey, when we go to Yuma, we have a lot of problems with mosquitoes sometimes. Oh, good. Bring them here. Could you bring it over here, hon? I need to set it on the... There's a box. Oh, it's one of my new ones I subscribe to, Luxury Divas. So I'm going to set this aside to use when we go back down to Yuma. We don't have bugs in Washington. Let's see. This one. Oh, these are those electrolyte hydration mixes. Ultima Replenisher. So it's like, how many are in here? It's assorted flavors. These little, how to enjoy it. 1 stick pack to 16 fluid ounces water and shake or stir. Hey, you know, these would be great on my trip. You know, when I'm carrying water and, you know, I'm walking and it's hot. To replenish. 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 carbs. And of course, it's got electrolytes, plus trace minerals, supports your active lifestyle. Sweetened with organic stevia, plant-based flavors and colors, gluten-free, keto-friendly. Well, even this one, do they have anything special they said for it? Oh, it retails for $7.99. Oh, and that other one retailed for $12.40, the oil stuff. I'm not going to read what's on the card here. You know, it's kind of pretty self-explanatory. Then we have Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. I don't need that today. $30. A ray of sunshine that restores the hair with incredible softness and optimal shine. Sign us up. Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. Uses a superfood nutrition of seaweed and coconut, anti-pollution properties of jasmine, calendula flowers, and ultra-rejuvenation properties of carrot seed and jojoba oils to fortify, nourish, and revive dull or damaged hair. So you massage it into the scalp, and it promotes a positive energy to the hair follicles and envelopes the hair in a crowning aroma of fruit flowers. Fun fact. Okay, fun fact. Earth Harbor donates. Doggy getting walked by. 1% of for the planet to protect the world's oceans. It's very easy to use. Oh, you use it before you wash it. I was going to put it on right now. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. This is a question mark. And we have, looks like lemongrass, a bar of lemongrass soap. That's what I'm smelling. There you go. It's distributed by Wicks and Scents. I like to get the lemon bars in Italy. They got the limoncello scented ones. They smell good. I end up not using the soaps because I hate them use up. But this will be going in a giveaway. And it says it's $7 normally. And we have Super Bamboo from V&O Light Day Cream Pollution Shield. I don't know what this is for. Okay, it says $25. It's like maybe a mask. Whether you're trying to soothe sunburned skin or treat a severely dehydrated complexion back to a healthier state, you can't go wrong with adding some replenishing bamboo into your regimen. Made with a powerful blend of natural extracts, including young darn yang bamboo leaves and multi-algae complex. This cream will keep your skin hydrated and nourished while protecting it from pollution. Let's see, how do you use it? Doesn't say, what does it say on here? Applying in the morning to face and neck. I don't know. Might as well put it on here. It doesn't really have a scent. I don't know. This I'm going to put probably in the giveaway. Then we have a Cheeky Botanica Glow Nectar Finishing Bronzing Oil. Is it made by Cheeky? Where's Cheeky? Where's Cheeky on here? Okay, Cheeky. $28. Be whisked away to the tropics with this luxurious and magical multitask. Cheeky Botanica's Glow Nectar Bronzing Oil combines a nourishing blend of sunflower, jojoba, and argan oil and a touch of organic mineral oxide paired with rich notes of vanilla and amyris for a radiant shimmer without the greasy feeling. It imparts a natural-looking glow to all skin types while moisturizing the skin for a soft, nourished, and glowing complexion. How do you use it? I mean, is it to make a tan? Shake well before applying. Apply a few drops to the skin and massage well until completely absorbed. Best if applied after dressing to avoid any product rub-off. Can be layered to achieve a deeper tone. I don't know what this is. I mean, It's sealed. I think that'd be a giveaway for me. I'm sorry. I know some of you seem to get upset when I don't keep too much of this stuff, but it doesn't bother me. I like giving it away. What a wacko. Okay, and the last item, it looks like here, is After Sun. It's from Solistic Root. It's After Sun. It's got peppermint, lavender, witch hazel, vitamin E, eucalyptus, sandalwood, aloe, and frankincense. Have to look on here because it doesn't say how to. Okay. It's $12.90. Give a little love to your skin that's had too much fun in the sun. A calming and hydrating blend that will bathe, soothe, and combat any after-sun damage. The after-sun spray is made with pure therapeutic-grade essentials that nourish and hydrate the skin and help decrease the chance of peeling, pain, and inflammation. It doesn't say how you use it. I don't allow this face in the sun. So if it's for the face, I don't know. Well, it's a spray. But I just don't go in the sun much. I like to protect my skin. I'm going to put that in a giveaway. So let me make sure there's nothing hidden under here. Oh, there is some. We always put a book. And it is called Pivot. Change isn't coming. It's here. Oh, my. 5 practices to strategize and support you through change. Interesting book. It's got, looks like 5 weeks. You've got all these different things you do at each of the days, it looks like, or weeks. And interesting. Let's see what it says on the back of the book. Over a 5-week period, we will explore the 5 main distinctions of the pivot concept: perspective, intuition, vision, obstacles, and tactics. Similar to how we train our muscles through working out, we will train our mind through a series of practices to develop habits that will support us to thrive in our forever-changing environment. So this would be a good giveaway. As you know, I never read. Okay, I think that's everything. Okay. Cover up these stringies. So what you kids think? Good box. Looks like they're really aiming for the sun. I'm keeping, well, at least, what was in here? Oh, the soap. Go. One. Only one. Oh, no, 1, 2. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, and I'm keeping, for sure, 2 of them. I may end up keeping more, but. So, comments below. Share, like, subscribe. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye.